guys. Today, in this video, we will be checking out some of the most but underrated items in the museum. Some of these are, in my opinion, low. So, yeah. And also, I got this charm. It's in my den.
And it's one of the other underrated items in Animal Jam. It is called the Charm Token. Whenever you click on it, you can get a charm for you and your buddy.
So I'm just going to show you right now.
So you can click whatever you want. There's a striped one for necklaces like that. You can also get any other color, like any color you want. And then you can also like any solid color too. And then you can go to tri-colored and tri-colored one.
Oh, ooh, I like that.
Yeah, let's send it to each other if we want to.
Ooh.
And
is that the bisexual flag?
No, stop it.
I mean, it looks like the colors.
No.
Okay, never mind that, but you can do this. I already got the striped charm necklace. It's on my look right now. And yeah, let's get into the video.
So
so number one
is the Alpha Charm bracelet. It actually goes really well with any look. It comes in almost every single color besides yellow and a few other colors.
And it matches with every look. Well, mostly every look. And I think a lot more people should wear this item. Honestly, I can't afford it.
Yeah. So make sure to check these out in your local
They're in stores.
They're in stores for members only, and make sure you check them out because they are great items to use.
So yeah, make sure to check it out right now. Okay, so the second one is in Epic Wonders.
And the item is
the diamond anklet.
It actually goes really well with any look.
I know. I really think a lot more people should wear this item because it's
very stylish.
Yeah. Like, look at it on this look. It makes a bigger difference to the look. And it has this sparkle effect.
Yes.
It's really cool, and you should definitely wear it on your look.
Okay.
I can't buy it right now.
Yeah, because we don't remember it.
And
also we have less gems. So,
yeah.
On to the next item.
Okay. And this next one is the sparkly diamond head bow.
It has a really good effect on any animal that you use it on. And it's really great. Comes in almost every single color.
It's very cute. And I never see people with this item because it's so underrated, but it's in the diamond shop. I want it to be like, so many other people should wear this.
Yes.
Because it's so cute and it has another sparkle effect,
as you can see on our characters there. It's very, very cute. It can match with almost every single look. And it can come in almost every single color by color.
So yeah, moving on. So this next one is in Forgotten Archives. So you just go over here, you know.
And you actually can see the Mira amulet, which is really very cute. It can look good on almost every single animal.
I know. But I'm so sorry I can't afford these things.
But it is very cute, very petite. It comes in almost every color variation, and it's very cute and petite.
it matches with almost everything. And if you don't know what to do with your look, you can definitely add this. It's small. I mean,
it's small. It adds lots of detail. And
yeah,
very
a lot of detail to your look. And Mira armbands are a good detail to your look.
Yes, if you can't find any light items, these are the perfect for you. They can match with almost every single look and mix of color.
Yeah, mixes of colors.
Definitely.
And the feathers are really cute in a good detail.
You can definitely also make some looks from with the blanket too. Because the blanket is also underrated, but it's kind of really...
I don't like it.
Yeah, it's kind of underrated, but you could also use it for a look.
Hashtag go to Mira.
Yeah.
Dude, Zios. Like, Zios is creeping me out.
Okay. Now on to the next item.
Moving on.
So, right here we have the flapper hat.
The flapper hat is adorable. It's really cute.
Like, it can go with almost every single look. And for me...
Look how fancy this looks.
Yes, it's very, very fancy and very cute.
It's very modern.
Yes.
Old school.
Mostly like 70s style, or maybe 80s style.
No, 60s style.
Mostly.
Yeah, but this matches with a lot of items.
Definitely lots of color variations, such as blue and orange.
So you should check this out in Gym Art Clothing.
Yes.
And I want more people to wear this because, I mean, it's cute.
Yes,
it's so cute. Look at it.
And it's at the low price of $600. I mean, 600
Yeah. Moving on. We have another, again, yet from the Epic Wonders.
We have the branch antlers.
The branch antlers are very naturistic.
Yes.
That's not a word, but
yeah,
I said it.
It goes for almost every season, such as maybe a little bit of cherry blossom.
But I really like this. It's so
autumnish, and that's kind of like a spring. That's kind of like this is more like summer. Yes,
but these are really whimsical and
very majestic.
I like them. As you can see, they match with, like, I don't know what they match with, but you can definitely find a good look for these. Yeah. So that's that. Moving on.
So here we have the Mira feather necklace, and it's very beautiful, very, very cute, and it works on almost every single animal, and it's in the diamond shop from One Diamond. It's very, very beautiful and very, very colorful. It comes in almost every single color variation, which was, yeah, it's really cheap for One Diamond. So make sure to go try it out today.
Anyways, Evergladers.
we haven't found out what to call you guys yet, so in the comments down below what we should call you guys.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you make a good look with these items, because these items are amazing, but nobody wears them, which is kind of sad.
Very, very sad. Maybe sometime we will do one about